Today, we're featuring a 2016 Peterbilt 579 Tandem highway tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with an 80-inch high-roof sleeper cab with double bunk and a fridge, with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, plus AM/FM CD radio with GPS navigation. Includes a smart steering wheel and a power inverter. This Peterbilt features a Paccar MX 13 engine with 500 horsepower, 236-inch wheelbase, 18-speed transmission with a 3.58 gear ratio, low air leaf suspension with a 12,000 front axle rating and a 40,000 rear. Also features a sliding fifth wheel and quarter fenders. It also comes equipped with three-way locking rear differentials. This Peterbilt has 580,000 miles on it and is work ready for the highway. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.